This Claude Code automation finds trendy and lucrative keywords. It then bulk generates up to 20 articles at once with internal linking and images included. It then can post those articles directly over to your website as a draft or as a published post. And in today's video, I'll be showing you exactly how you can duplicate this workflow for yourself. So first, you want to head over to Claude. We're going to be using the co-work mode. And then we'll be telling Claude that we want you to do research on our website. And I want you to find trendy and lucrative topics that we haven't written about. So first, I want you to find the topics, and then I want you to cross-reference it with our sitemap to ensure we're not duplicating any of our content. So we can see here, if we enable Claude in Chrome, it'll actually go out and it'll take over your Chrome website, and it can go out and do these things. It can search up your sitemap, it can search up or use different tools on the internet, but essentially allows it to use a live web if you allow Claude in Chrome. So we've went ahead and we've allowed that. So we can see here that Claude first found our sitemap. So it's found our sitemap, it's found 333 posts. Now that it knows what we've already written on, it's gonna go out and do Google Trends data search. So it went and did some Google Trends data, and it found what is the most trendy topics that we haven't written about. It went ahead and used another MCP integration that we have, which is MCP360.ai. So it went ahead and found the interest of specific keywords, and then it gave us the data. So we can see here that the live data is telling a clear story from Claude. So it found everything that it needed to find, and then we got our keyword gap report of topics that are trendy and topics that are relevant that are not duplicate. And we find here that we have 100 out of 100, which means that this is the most trendy topic that's on Google, and the topic that you can write about and really hack and get a lot of new visitors and new clicks over to your website, because not many people are writing about this, or it's such a new topic. So we see here, this is on a specific topic around mortgages in Canada. We get why it matters, we get the suggested article title, and the supporting keywords. So we see here we get a bunch of other keywords that are similar with Google Trends data for specifically Canada. We see that we haven't covered that on our actual website. We get a brief of the website and the suggested article title. And we get this for about, as we can see, 4 of tier 1 articles that we can write on. And for tier 2, it goes all the way up to 8. And tier 3, we get up to 18 keywords that we can simply start writing on. Now what we can do is we can then tell Claude to write on each individual article. We'll have to take a look at it, optimize it, and then post it over to our website. But if we use our WordRocket integration, specifically using the bulk generation mode, I can now tell Claude to bulk generate all of these articles at once with internal links, with my brand voice, and post it directly over to my website. So as you can see here, I copied over about 8 articles. You can do as many up to 20 articles at once using the bulk generation mode. So then I told Claude, I want you to take these 8 topics and use the WordRocket bulk generation mode with images, with web search mode, using our internal linking, so on and so forth. In this specific example, Claude wasn't able to find the bulk generation mode properly, but we made some changes on the back end of the MCP, so now it works completely. But we can see here, it went ahead and queued up all of those articles individually. So you can do it individually if you like, or you can just bulk generate it. So we see here, it queued up all 8 articles. If we head over to articles, we can see all of the articles here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So if I go ahead and click on the articles, we can see we have a beautiful image here. We have the title, we have our key takeaways, we have our keywords, we have our second image here, and it's just a really good article with our title, tag, and meta description. And we also, as you can see here, we have our internal links baked into the article as well. Again, let me just scroll down here. You see our internal links. If you go ahead and click on that, we can see that this is a live internal link to an article that we've already posted on that website. So everything is being on. So again, over 8 articles here, we can click through any one of these. They have beautiful images, they have internal links, as we can see here, they have our brand voice, and it's ready to go. So once it went ahead and generated all 7 of those articles, because I told it to post the articles, then it then went ahead and automatically posted, as we can see here, published those articles directly over to our WordPress site. So we can see all of the articles here, featured images, and we can see that it's been posted as a draft onto our website. So again, if I head back over to our site here, and if I head over to posts, we can see again all 8 of those posts have been posted. If I go ahead and click on any one of them, we can see our meta tags have also been posted. If I click on edit, I can see here that our cover image has been posted. If we scroll all the way down here, we could also see that our title, our meta description, and our slug has also been posted. So super clean, right? We can literally go ahead and just publish this onto our website. So this is another very, very powerful automation, because we're able to use Claude to do research, and then we're able to bulk generate up to 20 articles at once. And those articles, as you saw, they're not generic crap articles. They're really, really good articles. And when you combine again Claude with WordRocket, you get a very, very powerful workflow. Now, what you could also do is you could also, using the co-work mode, if I head over to schedule, I can actually go ahead and create a new task. So what I can do here, if I head back over, I've already hit my limit for Claude, but what I can do here now, I can tell it to create me a description of this task. So then I can create a schedule. If I create a new schedule, and daily it can go ahead and do this, because as we can see here, I actually have some scheduled tasks from Claude. As we can see here, it goes out and it does it every single day. Just today, it went ahead and did trending research on a topic, and then it posted that article directly over to our dummy site here. So you can simply go ahead and create a scheduled task, and this will do this on a day-to-day basis. So if you want to get this full workflow and our prompts, comment Claude below and I'll send it over to you. I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.